This is how you install Tailwind CSS in React app. So firstly, create a React app. If you have already, you can do it in your current project. So I will create my React app using this command. Navigate to your project. Now you need to install Tailwind. So I will do this using this command. Now we need to initialize Tailwind using this command. This will create a Tailwind config file like this. Now inside your config file, just copy this and paste it. After this, import this into your global file. In our case, this will be index.css. Now we can start using our Tailwind just like this. So what I will do is I will remove everything. Use H1. Let's run our project. There you go. Thank you guys.